At Kennedy Town, Hong Kong, near the pier and residential area, there is a small place where people can sit and rest in the neighborhood. Due to limited space, this place is squeezed in between nearby bars and the Kennedy Town fire station. The Kennedy Town had been famous from its breathtaking sea view and beautiful sunset. There are places like here, bounded by tall buildings around that block the natural light, which makes it dim and desolated at most times. By incorporating inspirations from a series of AI-generated images with specified prompts, we built and arrived at a desired general visual concept, and namely the theme, Let There Be Light. We first come up with the idea of designing a structure with kinetic capabilities to adjust and fit in different scenarios, creating a similar effect to a breathing facade. The pillar shapes of each unit will bring in variation with natural elements to foster the green and sustainability idea behind. The sets of kinetic panels are installed on a part of the wall which is exposed to sunlight at most times. When sunlight sheds on the petals, the light sensor captures the signal to transform in orientation just as how flowers bloom. Direct source of sunlight shifts in different daytime, which change the direction of light source. Units of kinetic installation will alter their angles and orientation to maximize light being reflected into the alley in response to sunlight captured from the sensor. The kinetic panels operate both as reflecting surfaces and solar panels to store energy simultaneously. Energy stored will be used to trigger alarms installed on the outer wall to signal surroundings when the fire alarm breaks from the fire station. Speaking of how to boost the function of our design, we elaborate the idea from biomimicry of lobster's eyes. The eye of a lobster focuses reflected light onto the retina using a perfect geometric configuration of square tubes, which brings us inspiration on manipulating the structure of the design and their orientation to maximize the brightness reflected from the wall. Structures with low refractive index would create an efficient reflective system, reducing waste of energy during transmissions. With modified structure, we expect to bring greater brightness to the spot. To power up the motion of our kinetic design, we come up with the design of walk-on panel by combining another biomimicry example and the use of smart material to achieve a sustainable powering mode. There have been innovative attempts, such as Pavilion on developing piezoelectric powering floor. To take a further step towards greater efficiency, our step-on panel will adapt technology and creative approach. The motion of Venus flytrap, carnivorous flywood trapping structure, inspired experts in metamaterials to explore the application of impulsive deformation on improving the structure of engineering design to recoil at high acceleration but low inefficiency in energy trade-offs in impulsive elastic recoil. From using polymer spring with unique arrangement of elliptical holes, inspired by Venus flytrap, more elastic energy will be saved from it, thus performing energy conversion process at higher efficiency for powering from the panel. In addition to this strategy, the walk-on floor panel is designed to perform piezoelectricity process from people's activity. Embedded power generating blocks will produce small electrical current when squashed from pressure. Such smart use of material generates energy at zero variable cost, but from people's steps and movement. By incorporating biomimicry into both of our designs, we aim on bringing more awareness on preserving the sustainability of our environment towards the public. It would be unfortunate not to utilize evolving sustainable technologies and nowadays and the foreseeable future into application in different fields. Through our project, we hope to apply the phrase from the nature to the nature and by the nature.